Sunshine. I'm really excited because today we're going to be doing our July Sephora play unboxing, but I'm excited for a couple of different reasons. First and foremost, I'm really excited to get into this month's Sephora play box because I really hope it's going to be just as good as the last 2 months have been. Second of all, I'm really excited because it's Saturday morning and it's raining, and this is my favorite type of weather. I love the rain. I love gloomy weather. I love it when it rains all day. I love just feeling like trapped by the weather. I just love that feeling. It's so comforting. The rain makes me feel clean and wholesome. Like I love this weather. It makes me so happy. So like I'm really excited about the weather. And third of all, I had an idea last night and I'm excited that I'm implementing it right now. So basically I was thinking to myself, I was watching some YouTube videos, and I'm super duper very self-confident. Like I am extremely confident in myself, but I sometimes get stuck in a trap where I'm comparing myself to other people, and comparison is the thief of joy. It's a bad habit that I sometimes do, but it's something that I've gotten better with over the years. It's something that I'm still working on. I'm a work in progress. That's totally okay. But I was thinking to myself, and I was watching a couple of YouTubers, and they always had makeup on, and they had their hair done, they had cute clothes, and I was like, wow, I'm not as good as these other people, these other girls, because like they always look really pretty, and I look nothing like that in real life. And so I was thinking like, well, hold your horses, Elizabeth. You're a YouTuber and I literally do the same thing. My hair is always, I mean, like, am I a hair expert in any manner? No, but my hair is always done in some manner. I always have like different outfits on, different clothes, and I always have my makeup on. And I realized, I'm like, if I feel this way, I can't imagine how some people in my audience, girls or guys, I can't imagine how you guys are feeling, like, you know, like by watching me. And I want to be somebody who spreads positivity, who inspires self-love and self-confidence. And so I thought to myself, well, what if I just tried a little something out? And what if I just did a video like me just waking up first thing in the morning and after I got a shower and just boom, did a video. So I literally just got out of the shower. I washed my hair. It's a little dry, because I did do a little like blow drying in it because I wanted to put in hair oils. I tried that out first thing this morning, putting in hair oils. So I'm like nervous that my hair might look a little greasy. But I was like, well, what if I did it in my pajamas, which is what I'm in right now, and no makeup on? Because like, I'm still just as self-confident with or without makeup. So I hope maybe you guys realize that like what people you see on the internet like look like versus what they look like in real life is completely different. As you can see right here, you guys like may have not noticed how bad my acne has gotten again. But bam, real. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, let's get into July's Sephora play unboxing. So this is $10 a month. You get 6 samples in every box, and everything inside of the box, inside of the Sephora play box, comes from Sephora. You also get insider points whenever you get a box. So like every month when you get a new box, you get insider points. Plus, you also get a little 50-point card in every box that you have to go spend $20 at Sephora to be able to give them this 50-point card for the points to go on your Beauty Insider. That doesn't make any sense to me. Also, I want to say something real quick. I'm sorry if I'm a little low energy compared to normal. It's 7 a.m. I just actually slept for the first time in 3 days last night, so I'm still kind of waking up. So excuse me if I seem a little low energy compared to normal. Okay, so I want to know what this month's theme is. It is more of the good stuff. They've been really on point with like the amazing maps, like not maps, what are these called? Charts, paper thingies they've been including. Also, did you guys know that Beauty Blender is making a foundation? They have 42 different shades coming out. Okay, I can't wait to like see that. Okay, so it says drink in the goodness. Your skin works hard on the daily, so give it some love with a cleaner, natural ingredient packed routine. And then it has like a skincare routine. So that's cool. I think these are really cute, but they're, whatever these things are called, have been much more like intricate and colorful and bright and fun, and definitely much more educated than educative than their last couple, like compared to when I was subscribed last year. I keep going on and on. So, oh, I'm just dropping everything today. So here's what the bag looks like. This is actually one of the nicer bags that they've had more recently. I like it's just like plain. If they could just stick with this, I don't think I would complain too much. Like, it's just, I don't know. I really love the color of this red. Imagine my hair this color. That would be really fun. Okay, so they have 6 samples. You get 5 makeup samples and a perfume or a scented type of sample in every bag. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is a blush from Tarte. Oh my gosh. So this is in shade Partey Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Oh my goodness gracious. I love Tarte. Tarte is one of my favorite luxury brands. So this, I did get a blush from Tarte like 2 months ago in my Ipsy bag, but this is a different shade, so I'm really glad it's not the same shade. Otherwise, it would have been like butthurt. But that's a nice color. I don't know if you'd really be able to see the blush on my skin because of how red and like sunburnt my skin is, but we're gonna try anyway. Can you, I mean, you can see where I just put that giant smear, but I don't know, that's a really color. I actually love how like light and like dusty this is. I really love this color for fall. I wouldn't really say this is a color that I'd wear a whole lot in the summertime, but I really love like the dustiness of that blush. The next thing that I'm pulling out is an empty cardboard container. I dropped the perfume in there something. So this is from Claudel. It's Vino Perfect. It's got, oh, is that a pear? What is this? I was gonna say, what is this vegetable? But no, it's a fruit of some sort. Imagine if they made like tomato smelling perfume. So now I have to dig in the bag and hopefully find the perfume sample. Okay, so I found the perfume sample and it's Claudel Vivo Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. Is this a perfume? It looks like it. This essence, oh, no, it's not a perfume. Okay, so concentrated brightening essence. So that's really cool. I thought this was gonna be a perfume sample, but it is a dark spot corrector. That's really exciting. As you guys can see, that is something that I definitely need in my skincare routine. So I'm excited that I got something that I've never tried before. I really do love the skincare samples that I get from Sephora. Most of the time, I do feel like I get too many masks, but I know like last year, I think it was, I got a sample from the Drunk Elephant, and it was the glycolic serum, and I love that stuff so much, but they're like, a bottle of it's like $80, and I'm just not ready to drop that much money on some skincare. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is from Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with, here we go with pronunciation, okay, with, oh my god, I don't even know if I can attempt this one, with Echinacea Green Envy Honey Hydrant. What is this E word? Echinacea. Oh my god. I'm not even mad at that because I love the color of it. It is so pretty and it looks so rich. Oh my goodness. And it does feel very lightweight. It feels like very watery feeling, which I like for my morning moisturizers. That absorbed really quickly into my skin, and I did like moisturize before. Look how glowy my forehead looks now. Oh my gosh, and it looks like I have highlighter on, but I swear to God, guys, that is just grease. My face is naturally very, very oily. But I do see like little beads inside. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up, but I see like little yellow beads inside of this. I love the color of this. I'm so excited that I got this, and I just dropped the cap to it. So what, we've dropped 3 things in this video? Is that a new record? I literally am so clumsy. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Brigio Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. You guys know how I feel about these things. Okay, so if I'm to push everything down, we have this much shampoo in the packet. Foil packets. When will these brands understand? And I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only one who feels this way. Like, please let me know in the comment section down below if you disagree. But foil packets do not give me the opportunity to try out the product more than once. Like, everything else that I pulled out so far, like, I can try this more than once. I can try the dark spot corrector more than once. The blush I can use more than once. Foil packets are a cheap excuse for a sample. Now, if you're gonna throw it in, and if there's like 3 other things in here, no, there's only 2 things. So like I got 6 things in here because this still counts as a sample. The next thing that we're pulling out is Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask for sensitive skin. Use 3 times a week or anytime your skin is in need of urgent rescue. Apply a generous amount onto clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Okay, so it's this really pretty, like, light whipped mint green color. Like, it's the mask itself is not whipped. It feels like a very thick lotion, but it has this very, like, light mint color. It probably just looks white on camera, but it's a pretty color. However, I have I'm just gonna say I'm already disappointed in this bag. I like the color. It doesn't really have too much of a scent. It's a mask, so I don't really know if it's gonna work right away. But it feels, oh, it has a little bit of like a, what is that, eucalyptus scent, just like a tad bit, not overpowering now that I have it like smeared out on my hand. And the last thing that I'm pulling out of this bag is a Gob lip mask from Bite Beauty. Ooh, okay. So, it's a tiny little bottle. That's so cute. Okay, let's see what we've got going on here. I feel like this is something that I should read about, and because there's like literally nothing else written on this little bottle. Okay, so I finally got the little seal off of this. That was really, really hard. It says a nightly recovery mask that hydrates and nurtures lips for a softer, smoother texture. The natural agave nectar and healing jojoba oil in this dense conditioning treatment restore parched lips to a supple state. Madagascan vanilla adds a sweet scent. So let's put it on and see if it tastes like anything. Oh, it smells very vanilla. It smells like Tarte. Like, you know how Tarte has like that very vanilla scent to their products? That's what this smells and tastes like, is like the vanilla scent that comes with Tarte products. I want to see what their reasoning is for putting in this foil packet. It says a sulfate-free shampoo that creates fuller looking hair without stripping shine. This shampoo gives a hair volume boost with a natural sugar starch that coats strands and increases their diameter. Biotin, ginseng, and ginger support natural hair growth. So in my July Sephora play, I received a dark spot corrector from Claudel, a mask, a moisturizer from Pharmacy, a blush sample from Tarte, a face mask from Ren, a lip mask from Bite Beauty, and a shampoo sample from Briogeo. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that name, but a foil packet shampoo sample from Sephora, basically. So I have to say I'm really disappointed in this month's box. I mean, it's always cool to get skincare, but I feel like this box was just skincare. Like, we got one makeup sample and that was it. Like, this is supposed to be a makeup and beauty box, and I literally just got skincare and masks and a foil packet. Like, I really feel like this box, again, was just like thrown together. Whereas the previous 2 months, I've received boxes that have actually seemed really well thought out. They're well balanced. We get a little bit of something from everything. And I feel like this month was just another time where Sephora just like, oh, we were running out of time to get these boxes out the door. Let's just throw some masks and samples and let's just get them out the door. So I'm disappointed. I really had high hopes for this month's box. I was like, yeah, they've been killing it these last couple of months. Like, they're gonna do great on this month. And that's just not the case for this month with Sephora. However, I hope next month is better. I would have to say, out of everything, the thing that I am most excited about is I'd have to say it's between the lip moisturizer from Bite Beauty or the moisturizer from Pharmacy, because I love honey and I really love the way that this has made my forehead feel. It's very lightweight feeling. It absorbed really, really quickly. So I really like the way that feels, especially for a daily morning moisturizer. So that is it for my July Sephora play unboxing. What did you guys think of this box? Do you agree that it was disappointing, or do you think this would be a subscription, like this month's box would be something that you would be happy with? I can't wait to hear from you all in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.